Joshua Zamora here, and in this video I'm going to quickly talk to you about an additional step in the video optimization process that I like to do that helps to boost my authority and the rankings of my videos. Now, one thing that you may have heard me mention before is that sometimes I like to target multiple videos for the same keyword. And that allows me to rank multiple videos for the same keywords, and then it builds a nice barrier between me and my competitors in case someone is really trying to outrank me. If I have 2 or 3 videos ranking for the same keyword, then it makes it a little bit harder for them to truly outrank me. They might outrank my second or third video, but that first video that's ranking is going to be a little harder for them to outrank that video. So one quick tip that I like to do, which helps to solidify that strategy, is to create a playlist from those videos that I'm targeting for that particular keyword. Okay, so this is an example video that I have on my channel, and what you're going to do is over here on the right hand side, this is on the editing page of any particular video that you have on your channel. You're going to come here to the right hand side. You can see it says playlists. Okay, and if you click on the drop down, you'll have the playlist that you've created, or you can create a new playlist. All right, so I'm just going to click on new playlist, and you'll see that a title, the option to create a title shows up. All right, so for this particular video, I'll just go ahead and copy the same title, but I'll make this plural. All right, so that I can target the plural version of that keyword, and is also gonna make sure that this playlist is set to public. The reason for that is because YouTube is going to give me a URL, a public URL for this playlist, which will also allow me to rank that playlist. Okay, but I'll talk about that here in a second. But once I hit create, that playlist has now been created. I click done, I click save, and now that playlist has been created. Okay, VidChomper review, it's in there. And to get to your playlist, okay, if I come over here, another way to create a playlist that I wanted to quickly cover is here on the actual video page as well. You can click this plus sign here, and you can see that it's already in that playlist that I just created. And if you wanted to create a new one, you can click this button here to create a new playlist, just like I did inside of here. Okay, but now that it's inside this playlist, we'll go ahead and find the URL for that playlist. So if I come over here to my channel, it should be right here. You can see the VidChomper playlist that I just created. And if I click here, you'll see I'll be able to see all the videos that are inside of this playlist. Okay, and here you see I'll be able to add videos to this playlist as well. And I'll also be able to add a description, which will allow me to further optimize this playlist before I take it to the next step. Okay, so what I'll do here is I'll also go ahead and put in my keyword here at the top, and then I'll add my affiliate link here. And then I'll most likely add a short description here. Okay, and just make sure that saves there. So now once I get to this playlist, people will be able to see this text here and click on this link so that I can monetize that as well. All right, and if I want to add more videos, I can go ahead and click that add videos option there. And what I do is when I'm targeting more than one video for this particular keyword and this playlist, I'll add all 3 of the videos or both of the videos that I'm going to be targeting for this particular keyword inside of this one playlist. Okay, now for some reason my internet is being a bit slow right now and not opening up the option to add videos. So let me see if I can refresh this. All right, and here's where you can now add new videos to this particular playlist. You can search by video, you can search by URL, or you can add your own YouTube videos that are on your channel. So I'll go ahead and just add a few of these. Click add, and this is just assume that all these videos are targeting that same keyword. Okay, obviously they're not, but if I click add videos, It should add them in there. There you can see they have been added. So now let's assume that not only is this video optimized for my target keyword, this playlist is optimized for my target keyword, and all these other videos are, let's assume that they're all targeting the same keyword. So now what I'm doing is I'm using YouTube's own authority in my favor, because I've created a playlist, and I'm also creating a nice silo structure. So let's assume that this is my main category. And then these are my subcategories of my particular channel or particular playlist. So now I'm creating an organized silo structure, which we all know that when it comes to ranking in Google, Google loves when we create a nice silo structure. So we're doing the same thing for our videos to boost our authority and boost our rankings. And for every syndication that I do for these videos, it's, Google and YouTube is going to be able to crawl it back through to each of these videos. So it's YouTube is going to crawl all, the URLs that I'm adding in here. Is going to know that it's inside of this playlist, and then this playlist is going to know, YouTube is going to know that this playlist contains all these videos, and then there's just a giant circle of authority circling through these videos when I'm boosting the authority of each individual URL with social syndication that you can get with Done For You Suite, or pretty much any other syndication software as well. So with this playlist, now I'm creating an insane amount of authority, and also you can go ahead and syndicate the actual playlist as well, because now I have a URL for this playlist. All right. So if I come here to new window and I paste this URL, this playlist is public. Okay. This is a public playlist that anyone can go to. All right. And which means also you can rank it in Google. Okay. Because it's optimized, not only the title optimized, the description is optimized, but assuming that all these other videos are optimized for that target keyword as well. So imagine if someone lands on a page like this where you're in full control of all the content. Okay, you have this top part optimized, and they can click on your affiliate link, and then they have all these other videos that you are in control of that they can watch as well. Okay, so very cool additional strategy that you can do here. And in the next video, I'm going to go ahead and show you yet an additional step that we take when it comes to leveraging the power of playlists.